Make sure to like, subscribe, and find the cake in the video. Comment when you found the hidden cake to have a chance to get your comment hearted. Make sure to subscribe, by the way.
Wait. I think cough.
Great point, Doctor. You get the platinum card.
Oh, my.
Freaking gosh.
How could you give Doctor the freaking platinum card when all the loser that was fourth?
That is so unfair.
Corrupt even. And you know what we do when things are unfair. We write.
Come on, guys. Calm down now, please. We are your new gods.
Oh no, this is bad. Really bad. I gotta do something. I gotta intervene. Hey, don't forget about me. You're finished. Caillou.
Hey kid, nice